Namaskar. Welcome to Vidhi Samvad. Here are today's top legal updates from across India. First up, the Calcutta High Court has ordered live streaming of the ED versus IPAC political funding case after disruption in previous hearings. To maintain decorum, the court has restricted physical entry only to advocates. The case involves allegation of interference in a money laundering investigation and has drawn national attention. Next up, the Election Commission has informed the Supreme Court that the Special Summary Revision SIR process is solely for updating electoral roll. The EC emphasized that SIR does not relate to citizenship cancellation, NRC, or deportation, addressing the concern raised in ongoing petitions. Further up, the central government has appointed Justice Sujoy Paul as the new Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court. His evaluation is expected to influence court administration, case flow management, and judicial efficiency in one of India's busiest high courts. Moving on to a major development involving digital safety, a Telugu actress has filed a criminal complaint against being targeted with AI-generated obscene image that went viral online. Police have booked over 40 individuals under Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and IT Act, reflecting growing legal intervention against digital abuse and AI-enabled harassment. Further up, the Punjab and Haryana High Court has instructed all judicial officers to stop using the term lower courts or subordinate judiciary and instead ask them to use district courts or trial courts, promoting dignity and accuracy in judicial communication. And finally, the Odisha High Court has given the state government 6 weeks to fill the long pending vacancies of Odisha Lokayukt, including its chairperson and 5 members. The court observed that leaving the anti-corruption body non-functional undermines the transparency and accountability. That's all for the day. For more legal updates, stay tuned to Vidhi Samvad. And also, if you liked our content, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe us.